and maintain your track. It's very sensitive.
Okay, I see that.
This is Lake Las Vegas.
Oh, wow.
It's a new community that they put in for richy people.
Oh. So this is a man-made lake?
Yes, man-made lake. We used to ride our dirt bikes. You can see the stream over to the left right here.
Right.
We used to ride our dirt bikes all the way out through here, clear out to the lake. Because after the dam right there, it goes back into a stream again.
Golden City traffic, 5-star 2 trainer, VOR 3800 inbound, straight in for 15 Boulder.
You can turn that one around if you want some footage of yourself.
Ooh.
Here, loosen that little knob right there, just a little. There you go. Now it'll spin.
About a 3.5 mile final.
Oh, this is beautiful, Reb. Look at this. This is life. You got a good job, Reb. You really do.
Oh, yeah. I love it. I love flying, man. Because we can go out here anywhere right now.
Right.
But if we get way out there, or like going where that little island is right there, you can't make it back over this hump.
Well, I gotta tell you, I've been practice swimming, Reb, so...
I always look for safe landing areas
Of course.
to be able to land out at. Little bit of wind turbulence right there coming up off of this little hill that we're over.
Right.
But this wing is so soft that it just handles that turbulence.
I know, it's beautiful.
Because the dam just right over that hump right there.
Oh, okay. Well, I was gonna go to the Hoover Dam today, but I guess I don't have to drive there because I'll be flying over it.
Yeah.
So from here, just keep on going straight over these.
Just straight, and then right as we get to the mountains there, we're going to turn left. The dam is right over there.
Okay.
And then now it's looking straight down for you.
Oh, okay.
And of course, all it's going to see is your feet.
Right.
Okay, come left a little.
Okay.
Come left a little bit. So there's Hoover Dam.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is that cool or what?
Rob, you just made my day.
Look at that bridge, man. That's a work of art.
Oh my God. Yeah, I was reading about it. It was built back in, I think, 1910.
1 mile final for 27 Boulder.
I don't see any helicopters yet.
No,
Okay, so where are we going from here, Reb?
we're going to do a circle
Okay,
to the right.
to the right. Okay.
Just a nice, slow, gentle circle to the right. We're actually going to go do a 360.
Oh,
But look at all the people out there on the bridge already.
oh wow.
They come out and walk across there and take pictures.
Oh wow. Oh my God, Reb, that was amazing.
I've seen it where water's running over those spillways right there. See the big hole?
Right.
I've seen it where water's running over that 3 or 4 foot deep.
Oh wow.
Yeah. See
Not
the
doing
helicopter
anything.
right there?
I do.
All right. All right, he sees us.
Right. So you're going right?
Yeah, he's just gonna go right on by.
Okay.